brown the meat like you never did before. Don't move the meat around the pan for a while. After seasoning with salt, flip over and start breaking it down. I'm maximizing the browning. Season with salt again. Every single bit will bring great flavor through this caramelizing process. After enough browning, add some onion slices. Still on a high heat before the onions are fully transparent. Add some salt and then mirim, which is a sweet cooking wine. Have it all evaporate and add some water. Cook on a low heat till the water is gone. I'll add a similar amount of water one more time and cook it off again. Now add these ingredients: 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 to 2 teaspoons of hot chili powder, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Prepare some icy water and start slicing the white part of green onions and slice very thinly. This white part of green onions will get crispy and lose its pungent taste after coming out of this icy water. All cooked, now it's plating time. I ground this frozen red chili all over. Sprinkle some black sesame seeds. Cook the egg with the lid on. I added a drop of water. Thank you for watching and subscribe.